enjoy just connecting with new people, new faces, old faces, and I was introduced to all of these things that are just right in front of me, and it's nice to actually put a face to a name and be able to actually work together and solve some problems here in the state.
It's just blown my mind. It's just been so inspiring, and I've learned so much, and I had no idea these things were being built in New York. I had no idea even some of these things were being built in the world, and it's just amazing to me.
Appreciate this event again, year after year. It just keeps getting better and better, and we look forward to seeing it for years to come.
It was a great couple of days getting to meet everybody and see all the inventive energy from all over New York State, and I'm already looking forward to next year in Buffalo.